Back from my morning report to chart appraisals on Wednesday 19th of July with me at Japan Market Analyst at Tech Markets, looking at dollar yen. We've seen this sort of slide in dollar yen in the recent week or so with the big strong bear candles broken up by mild positive candles. It seems as though those sort of mild positive days it basically used as selling opportunities really, but you look at these momentum indicators: RSI corrected below 50, falling below 50, MACD lines falling, stochastics falling away below, and towards negative configuration. So it all really does point towards testing of support levels. Now the initial support of 1170 was tested yesterday, sort of held really. 1166 was yesterday's low, but I'm sort of pointing towards really the support of this old sort of pivot around 1160 to 1155, which is the 38.2% fib level. So 1160 being these old lows, subsequently became sort of resistance on several occasions really. A bit of a pivot level really, 1160 area. So that is your sort of support near term. Now obviously we've had a bit of a rebound yesterday, but just rolled over again a bit today. Interestingly, that the yen is beginning to strengthen once more. You've got this hourly chart where you can draw a pretty decent downtrend, can't you? And you continue to sell into strength with that downtrend. I think you've got the momentum indicators on the hourly chart that sort of fail in the sort of 60 to maybe 50 area on the RSI. The MACD lines that are failing around neutral. The stochastics have already rolled over. It sort of shows also that old support becomes new resistance. 1290 had been supportive on the way up. That old high became supportive, but then having sort of completed what is arguably this sort of head and shoulders top pattern, you sort of seen that become the basis of resistance now. So old support is becoming new resistance now. 1224, between 1224 1240, these old lows from Friday and Monday have again started to become the basis of resistance. So you're seeing this happening again, and with that downtrend intact, I think the market is sort of primed again for further sort of retreat back towards that test of 38.2% fib. So, and that is a key level near term. Breaching that, you sort of open these lows around 11 big figure area, 1090, 1110. But then below those, you're sort of back towards 50% fib at 109 area. So yeah, this is sort of a fairly key time, I think, for dollar yen now. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.